Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I wanted to quickly show you how to check for your Windows version and how to update it. So I'm just gonna go and click on the start menu over here and click on the settings. And once I have the settings, I can click on the update and security. And over here, you have a OS build info. That's where I typically go. And what you're seeing over here under the Windows specification, okay, you are seeing that I have a Windows version that is 20H2. That means this version was released in probably 2020. Okay, and I probably got a new release available for me. So now go back, and over here you can go to the click on the Windows Update and then click on the check for updates. So it will check for the Windows Update if there is anything available, and over here as you see that it's saying feature update to Windows 10 version 21H1. The next version of Windows is available with new features and security improvements. When you are ready for the update, select download and install. So I would highly recommend that you do that. And right now, what you're seeing, the feature update to Windows 10 version 21H1 that is now getting downloaded. And once it's downloaded, we will be able to install it. So today, if you haven't done it, even if you have purchased a new computer like even in 2021, please do it and make sure that you have the latest and greatest version of Windows with all the security that you need. Thank you.